Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am making videos on Java programming language and frameworks. Please do subscribe, like and share for more videos. And please support us. Thank you.
So here we are discussing about increment and decrement operators. Here four types are there: post-increment, pre-increment, post-decrement, and pre-decrement. So first we will start with post-increment. So here one small simple program is there. I initialized two variables: a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, and I assigned a is equal to b plus plus. So this is post increment, means first the right side part will get execute, right? First b value, that is 20, is assigned to a. Okay, and next after completing that statement execution, then b is then b value becomes 21. So can you guess that what might be the increment value here? Yeah, I'm running this program. See here, post increment 20 value is there. That means post increment means the increment of operator execution will be posting. First assignment operate will be done first here, and next post incrementation will be done here. Now the same before this, I'm taking this. I will take pre-increment. So pre-increment means first increment will be happen to the b value, and next b value will be stored into the a value. I'm just committing this statement. Now see the difference, pre-increment and the post-increment. Now the value is 21. Why? Because pre-increment always first increment statement will be executed first, and later the b value is assigned to a. Similarly, now the b value becomes 21 here, right? That 21 plus plus. Now the same output will come 21 and 21. Incrementation is postponing here. When it will get execute means after completing the assignment of this into a value, then post incrementation will be executed. The same way, a is equal to b minus minus. Now presently the b value is 22 now, because here 21 now it becomes 22. Okay, b value is now 22. Now observe here, B value is now 22. Post decrement means the decrement operation will be postponed. First, B value is assigned to A and later B value decreased by 1. Now B value here 21. Okay. Now, but the A value is 22 here. A value is 22 here. Okay. First, and next, what is the pre-decrement? First, a decrement statement will get executed and next assignment operator will get executed. Now B value is 22, right? 21, right? So 21. Now it would be 20. Then that 20 will be assigned to A. Now see the output. Pre-decrement is 20.